thing is the old one. You see the sensor position? I just kind of adjusted it. You can just twist it. Make sure it's kind of lined up the same. And that's it. 2 4mm bolts. And there's the clip. And there. There's the old guy. Compared to the new guy. And that's it. So 2 10mm bolts. This is a setup right here. Just protects the angle sensor. And from that angle. And from the front. Kind of see it right there. There's the angle sensor. It's got a Honda Rancher ES here, having shifting issues. Just stopped it for a second, and now I'm getting the flashing light. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So I'll show you a little cheat code to see what code it's throwing, but it's basically the angle shift sensor, which hopefully it is all. There's the electric shift assembly right there itself. And then the sensor is in there, which I'll show you at a different angle. And the part, there's a bunch of them. I didn't get OEM, but I'll show you the link to both. And all you need is a 4mm hex wrench. Let's get started. You have the angle shift in. Just connect it up right there. Reconnect your battery. So the flashing N will stop.